Are you an artist looking for new ways to create stunning digital art? Look no further than Midjourney AI. This innovative tool combines cutting-edge technology with your creative vision to produce beautiful, one-of-a-kind works of art. Midjourney AI uses advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze and interpret your artistic style. This means that every piece of artwork you create with Midjourney AI is completely unique and tailored to your personal aesthetic. One of the best things about Midjourney AI is that it can be used by artists of all levels of experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, this powerful tool is accessible and easy to use. With Midjourney AI, you can create beautiful, intricate digital artwork in a matter of minutes. But what really sets Midjourney AI apart from other digital art tools is its ability to generate art that is both beautiful and meaningful. Midjourney AI is designed to help artists explore their emotions and express their innermost thoughts through their artwork. By using Midjourney AI, you can tap into your creativity and produce art that is truly unique and authentic. One of the most exciting aspects of Midjourney AI is its potential for collaboration. This tool allows artists to work together on a single piece of artwork, combining their individual styles and techniques to create something truly special. Whether you're working with a team of fellow artists or collaborating with fans from around the world, Midjourney AI makes it easy to create something beautiful and meaningful together. So what are you waiting for? If you're an artist looking to take your digital artwork to the next level, Midjourney AI is the perfect tool for you. With its powerful algorithms, intuitive interface, and endless creative possibilities, Midjourney AI is sure to inspire you to create your best work yet. So why not give it a try today and see what kind of amazing art you can create?